I'll go over the Canon wireless kit. So this is super simple and easy to use. These are powered by batteries. You have one little toggle on the side right here, the on and off. So let's click that on. You'll see the blue light turn on, and then you have volume as well. So that one's going to start blinking blue. And then for the receiver piece, we're going to want to turn that on as well. And then they'll blink for a bit until they pair. And now they're paired. So both of them are blue and solid blue, so you know they're paired. We have had a couple situations where these get mixed up. You really want to make sure that the numbers on these match up. So where it says NO, so right here, and then it's got a bunch of numbers behind it, you want to make sure that those numbers match up perfectly. Otherwise, these have just got mixed in with the wrong pair and they won't pair to each other. So they have to match up. Once you've got them on and paired, you can clip this one onto yourself. It's got a clip on the back, so you could clip it directly onto your collar or your shirt. And then for the receiver, you have a provided 3.5mm audio jack. And so for this one, you want to clip it right into the back, like so. There's only one port on these, so you can't really get those confused. And then the other side will go directly into your camera. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in the Canon wireless microphone kit that we just went over into our camera, so you can hear the audio quality coming from that. All right, this is the audio quality that you'll get from the Canon wireless microphone. So it's plugged in directly to my camera now, the receiver portion is, and the microphone is clipped directly onto my shirt. We'll go ahead and unplug these and then just flip that one switch to turn them off here on the side, right there. They'll cut them off. Takes it a second.